Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making this very delicious Cajun shrimp. It takes only a few ingredients and in less than 10 minutes you will have this delicious recipe on your table. I start out by using a paper towel to pat the shrimp dry. Then I make my Cajun seasoning. The ingredients that I use will be in the description, but you can always get your store-bought Cajun seasoning. And we're going to just set these aside. Then we're going to heat olive oil over medium heat. Then we're going to add the shrimp. Arranging them in single layer. Now we're going to cook for about 1 minute or 2 until the shrimps begin to turn pink. And after the minute or 2 that you give it, we're going to add the Cajun seasoning and stir until the shrimp is well coated by the seasoning. And remember to lower the heat at this point. And we're going to allow it to continue cooking while stirring until the shrimp are firm. That should take you about 1 to 2 minutes on low heat. And we're all done. Please remember to give this video a like, and please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and please leave a comment telling me how you like this recipe, and when you make your own, tell me what you use as your ingredients. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!